Hello, lovely people. We finished cooking. Oh, it's very hot here. Sorry, guys. We just turned it off. We make this. We are baking this for 30 minutes until this one is cooked. It's really hot here now, guys. Sorry, I can't get it to do so close because I'm using the phone. We're using this vegetarian nice burgers, and this is goes to noodles, I guess, if you like. So we use this vegetarian this time, and it's very cooked and it tastes very nice. At least on this you don't overcook this, otherwise it's not so good for you. Here is chef making it because I got handful of video thing. Oops. There you go. So we just put the foil in it. Okay, I'm just cutting this one out to show it to you guys. What is really taste this one. This is very nice. And when we offer this to our guests, we thought it's a chicken because it's really good. And then we just revealed the truth. Like this is a vegetarian burgers. We thought it's a burger. What's that? It's a meat burger because it sounds really nice and it tastes really good. And you can partner this, I guess, with this. I got left in the right plate here now, as you can see, nice and steaming here, and it's very good eating here now, guys. Bon appetit, everyone. Very nice. And it tastes so nice too. You can try this burgers, guys, and the noodles. It sounds very nice. As it is. Let's get some tissue. See, my partner is in there too. That's his part. That's one for me. So I try to make it small so I don't choke myself. So you can eat moderately. And it's alright. They said kung kumain ka ng maigi at slow, you eat slow, you can really taste and feel the really good taste of food, which is good naman. Some put any sauce on this if you like, but I don't feel putting any sauce in that. See that, guys? Nice and steamy and smells so good. Very good. It's kind of burger meat, but it's not good with this. This is really nice. Noodles here, pancit. Simple dish, easy to cook and quick to cook, and so healthy for you. See the amount of carbohydrates I eat now, guys. Not so much, and I can even eat half of it. Diet pa more. Have to get diet. So everything is good for you and healthy. But if you eat the right thing and stay safe, you don't get scary with these things, you know. So stay healthy, guys, out there. Eat wise, and always get fit if you can. Please try to far away from sickness. As you can see, guys, nice and steam. This is like really mukbang here now, guys. Yummy. Kain po, let's eat. Nice and steamy. Especially the cold weather. When you eat the hot meals, it sounds delicious and really nice, feeling good to your tummy. And always a really good soup too in the winter. When you make the good soup, it's so really good in your gut, so satisfying. My husband is a chef, and making really good soup, vegetable soup that you can imagine in the world. I'm talking to you honestly, guys. It's really tastes so good. He was working in the 5-star hotel before. So how's his job? Still a chef right now. Bon appetit! Thank you so much, guys, for watching our mukbang, our cooking, our healthy lifestyle food, vegetarian mukbang. Cheers, guys. Enjoy this one. Have a good day. I just list all the ingredients in the description box. If you got questions, just shoot the question down below, and we will answer you guys as much as we can. Don't worry, we won't ignore you guys. We just accommodate you guys as much as we can, okay? Thank you. And as I said, always love you guys. ML Chelskie here from Australia. Thank you, kababayan. Cheers. Kain po. Thank you, guys. Let's eat now. And enjoy. Bye for now.